Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a really cool toy. It's called the Claw. It's a claw game. Remember the arcade back in the day? They had a claw to come down and pick up a toy or candy, whatever. So this is a home version. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna take it out of the box and we're gonna look at it and see what it looks like and how it works and how it sounds. Don't forget to share and like the video. Doing an unboxing of this great little toy. This is going to be a great holiday gift for any kid, any boy or any girl. They're going to absolutely love it. All right, let's open it up and take a look at it together. Okay, you can see I took it out of the box here. I just want to show you what it looks like. It has all the controls right here. Up, down, left, and drop the crane up and down. We're going to show you that in a few seconds. We're going to show you that. It does come with a bunch of coins already in here. You put the coin in the machine. That's how you activate it. And you do have to put 3D batteries in the bottom right here. 3D batteries go in here, and this is where you take the old coins out, right over here. That's where the coins are. Take out the old coins, and then there's the off and on switch right here. So very, very simple operation, really fun. And all right, we're gonna get a quick shot. I'm just gonna show you how the functionality works. You can see all the controls right here. You put the coin here, you got the up and down right here. You got the forward and backward, left and right, and up and down. That way you can navigate the claw around where it goes, and then the item will drop in here and come out the chute. Gives you a time limit around, I think it's around a minute approximately. Music will play, and I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's get to that. You can see here it's set up in my photo booth. I want to show you how it works exactly. So here is one of the coins. Like I said, you put the coins on the bottom, make sure the power is on, make sure you put 3 fresh D batteries in it. That's the first thing you have to do. So as soon as you put the coin in, it's going to start going off. Just like you see there. Then you can control up and down the crane. You can move the crane backwards. Now you can hear the music playing. It gives you a time limit, left and right. You can see how that goes. So you want to pick up whatever you're picking up. You grab it, you pick it back up. And the idea is to bring it over to the chute. Bring it over to the chute, move it in and out. And then when you get to the chute, release it like that, and boom, that's how it goes. Now you can hear the music playing. There is a little light in here as well. You can see how it looks. It lights up red. You can see how that works. Music is playing. It gives you some time. And you just go ahead, fill it with gumballs, fill it with candy, snacks, I mean, all different things. Now the music is playing faster, letting you know you're running out of time. It's gonna keep, eventually it's gonna stop, and if you didn't get it, you lose basically. But they give you a bunch of coins to play with it. This is where you fill it, you put the candy in. That's how you fill it. Candy, gumballs, right there. That's where all that stuff goes. Really easy. And just put that back. And that's what I have. All right, guys, enjoy. Appreciate your time as always. Have a great day.